Hello guys, welcome to day 198 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to fix a problem about a codes that I have wrote yesterday, which was the interface of Discord, and also I'm trying to start practicing the back end. So I'm going to work with node.js, and I want to see first of all, I'm going to install it in my computer, and then I'm going to explore it, do some commands, and trying to create npm packages to see how they works. So these are what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to work about 20 minutes of practicing, and then I have to go university. Today I have a class which is reinforcement learning. So let me show you a comment from you guys. Here is the comment. But before that, this is the problem. Yesterday I tried to put this word beside this image, but I couldn't do that because I forgot to use Flexbox, but I already know about Flexbox, but I just didn't know I have to use it here right now. And I saw this comment from Smart M Cuber. Hey Alfred, remember you learned Flexbox? I'm wondering that you guys know what I am learning, but I forgot what I have to use this Flexbox in here. You need to apply display flex to the div, like you put the img and paragraph inside a div, img tag and p tag inside a div. So simply apply display flex to that div, and then you can align the p tag separately like you were doing before. So I just did that in previous videos using padding tab. Anywhere there is need to place the elements beside each other, side to side, you should use display flex. It's the simplest way. So this was the problem. This is how I can solve this problem. I have to practice this. I think I'm going to do it tonight. But right now, I think it's a good time to work on npm and node.js because it's morning here and my brain is free to learn new things. So I think it's good to put time in node.js right now. So let's close this. Let's install node.js. Just download it. Pressing next. I accept. Next. Next. Install. Yes. So while this is installing, I'm going to close this folder. Okay. Finish. Now, let me check my notes about how to start things. I already learned about it, but I didn't practice, so I forgot them. The notes is in my other computer. So I have to create a terminal first, new terminal. And if I press node, line V, I could have see the version, but I can't. Let me use a $, node V. So it doesn't work here. $sign was for jQuery. Maybe I didn't install the jQuery here. I remember I installed the jQuery here. Let me check how can I see if I installed jQuery in this laptop. I already remember that I installed. How to let me ask the ChatGPT. So here I have to say this. The term npm is not recognized as the name of the cmd-let function script file or operable program. Check the spelling of the name, or if a pass was included. Verify that the pass is correct and try again. I'm checking my notes. Let me copy this problem. I think I have to restart the computer, so until I don't restart the computer, the node.js doesn't work, so I have to stop the video and see after the restart if it works. Alright, let's get back to VS Code and check if the problem has been solved. So if I press $, npm line v, not npm, node, node line v. I think it's the problem has been solved, so I just should restart it. So this is the version of the node that I have installed. All right. Let's check the commands that we can apply. I can use something called node REPL. So if I say node, it will be help command. Sometimes you get stuck. This gets you out. The line that break will help me out. That clear alias for that brick. What do you mean by alias for that brick? What is the difference between brick and clear? When in the process of inputting a multi-line expression, enter that break command to abort or further input or processing of that expression. That clear resets the REPL context to an empty object and clears any multi-line expression being input. What if I say clear? So if I say some lines like, and now if I say clear, oops, I thought it would be clear all of these lines. In the processing of inputting a multi-line expression. Multiple statement including variables, declaration functions, definitions, and invoking functions. Enter editor mode. Editor. Take this verse into control your type that exists. So I can run JavaScript codes here as well, because the node.js is runtime for JavaScript. So let's test that. Okay, the problem was I had to run node first and then start doing this. So if b equal to 5, and if I say b multiplied by 5, then the answer is 25. Okay, so I can run the JavaScript codes here. Let's create a folder for our project. We want to create a project. Let's call it node practice, node.js practice. And in order to go into this folder, first I can drag and drop it here, and now let's open the terminal. We can create a new text file, select language and JS, JavaScript, press Ctrl S, index.js. Now we are here in this folder. Now let's type some JavaScript code and trying to run it in the terminal through node.js. Okay, what should I type? I can use alert. Hi, this is a practice. And now I can say node index.js. It doesn't work. It have to show the hi in here, but it doesn't do that. I wonder what is the problem. Should I type node again? Node. Now I say node index.js. Uncuffed reference error, node is not defined. Why it's not defined? Okay. The problem has been solved, but I didn't know what was the reason for that problem. It looks confusing. The working with node.js looks a little bit confusing for me, but it's a good practice. I think for the back end, I already have to deal with the node.js. So I'm going to come back and practice again. But right now I have to get ready and go to university. So that's it for today for myself. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.